influencer sent me another box from All About Curls, and I'm just going to show you guys how it came packaged. You got the $2 off coupon that they sent me for more products, and a little postcard about United We Curl, basically about the curling products that they sent me. And I'm just going to show you guys, like I said, how it's packaged. I opened it already, and here's the 4 products that I'm going to be using in the video. So as you can see, I'm taking a shower and I'm washing my hair, like no duh. And the first thing we're going to use is the No-Lather cleanser. And with the No-Lather cleanser, I find it really interesting because it does not lather, like, at all. As you can see while I'm rinsing it out, there's no suds. It's like light suds. And now I'm going to use the Daily Cream Conditioner. And yeah, it smells good. Everything smells alright, you know, I have no complaints. I'm going to take my detangler comb, my big tooth pink comb, and I'm going to work the conditioner through my head and just basically, you know, get the knots out my hair, the kinks, everything. Because conditioner is supposed to smooth out your hair, you know, so you want to work that in. And we're all done. So now what I'm going to use is the high definition gel and the bouncy cream. But first I'm going to use the bouncy cream and section off my hair, and I'm going to work that in. Then I'm going to take the high definition gel and I'm going to work that in as well. I'm going to take a brush and I'm going to brush that in. And now I'm going to take a piece of hair, split it in two, and I'm going to twist it all the way down to the end. And I'm going to take a flexi rod and I'm going to roll it up. And I know, guys, my flexi rods are old. I haven't been using them in a very long time. They're very old, so I just pulled them out the closet. I am due for a new pair, a new set of flexi rods. Voila. So now I'm going to take the top of my hair out and I'm going to section it off, and I'm going to apply both the high definition gel and the bouncy cream to the top of my hair and repeat the same thing basically throughout my hair. You know, just section it off, twist it up, and we'll put the stuff in and twist it up, and boom. And oh yeah, I gotta tell you guys that I have micro links installed in my hair, like just a few pieces just to fill up pieces of, like, fill up my hair basically. So if you see little like pieces, you know, it's just the micro links that's in my hair. I'm done, finally. It's 3 a.m. in the freaking morning. I'm gonna sit under my little dryer, and now I'm gonna take the flexi rods out, and you can see that it did curl. And now what I'm going to do is I'm going to pull them apart. And you can see that it did curl, like the products did curl my hair, but I really feel like these products is not really for me because, you know, my hair is more of a coarse texture and I need something a little bit more heavy. Everybody's hair texture is different. Mine's just, you know, you can see it. You can see in the curls that it curled, but it didn't really lock the curl, didn't really do much. So overall, I would just say that the products are good, but they're just not for me. But you know, I make the best of it. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to fluff it all out and still leave a little bit of definition. As you can see a little bit of curls in there, but I'm going to fluff it out. I'm going to take my wax stick and I'm going to do a style for the day because I really wasn't feeling those curls at all. You gotta learn how to make things work, you know. So yeah, I'm gonna just twist that up on the side, take my little clippy. Using my edges, use a little gel. And I'm done. What do you think about my style? How I improvised and switched the whole thing up? I think it came out great. Thanks for watching, guys. Hey, what's up, y'all? Thanks for watching my video. Make sure you subscribe to my channel and give this video a thumbs up by hitting the like button.